Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on a Chevy Colorado. First, understand that Stabilitrak is a crucial safety system, integrating traction control and electronic stability control. Many issues stem from simple electrical problems or sensor malfunctions. We'll cover the most frequent culprits, like faulty wheel speed sensors or a weak battery, which can often be resolved with basic checks. Knowing these common causes is the first step toward diagnosing and fixing the problem effectively. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting. A great first step is to use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for any stored diagnostic trouble codes, as these can point you directly to the problem. Next, verify your battery's health. Low voltage can cause many electrical systems, including Stabilitrak, to malfunction. Also, confirm that all your tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Sometimes, a simple steering wheel position sensor recalibration can resolve the issue without needing complex repairs. Now, let's dive into some more advanced checks. Carefully inspect each wheel speed sensor for any physical damage or accumulated debris, as these sensors are vital for Stabilitrak operation. You'll also want to test the steering angle sensor to ensure it's providing accurate data to the system. Don't forget to check all related wiring harnesses for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. Sometimes, even the brake pedal position sensor can be the unexpected culprit behind Stabilitrak warnings. If you've gone through these steps and your Stabilitrak warning light remains on, it's time to consider professional assistance. A certified mechanic has specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to pinpoint more complex issues that might not be obvious. Remember, addressing these warning lights promptly is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance. Regular maintenance, including battery checks and sensor inspections, can also help prevent future Stabilitrak problems from occurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.